Hi everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video. And the table topic is if we learn from our mistakes, why are we always so afraid to make a mistake? If we learn from our mistakes, why are we always so afraid to make a mistakes? It's known that we often learn from our mistakes. Mistakes are something that makes us reflect that we did something wrong and now need to do something different so that we can avoid these mistakes in the future. And that has been one of the great ways that you also learn about how to learn better. And when you make a mistakes, so it's in my opinion, like it's always better uh, when you make a mistake, just make sure that you don't repeat the same mistakes again. So that's the only thing you need to be sure. So always do new mistakes, but not repeat the same old mistakes, because then there is no point of learning from our mistakes. But what happens is that we are so afraid to make a mistake. We often try to make sure that uh, we should not fail. We how I will accept it if I get failed. So what essentially we are trying to do is we try to be too hard on ourselves, or try to over optimize things where this is not required at all. So in my opinion, that we shouldn't be afraid of our own mistakes because it helps in learning better. But the question is why we are so afraid to make a mistake. I think we are afraid to make a mistake because the societal pressure that we have. We don't celebrate mistakes. Just look around. We often and we just remember the successful people. We just don't remember them successful folks. And when it comes to get advice, we often tend to take it from successful people, but never from unsuccessful people. But the best thing that you can learn from is from unsuccessful people, because they know what the mistakes they have made and that can help you not repeat the same mistakes again. But people are not interested in that, learning from unsuccessful people. So from the society, like we need to do something different, that we need to celebrate mistakes as well. We do not need to be afraid from it. So it's fine if you make a mistakes. Life is not ending. So that's what I feel about it. And we should start embracing the mistakes, and that's the way forward. Thank you. Over to you.